What if aging wasn't inevitable? What if science could stretch the limits of human life, not just by a few years, but by centuries? In a stunning revelation, Japanese scientists have announced the development of a groundbreaking experimental drug that could, in theory, extend the human lifespan to an incredible 250 years. It sounds like fantasy, but this discovery is deeply rooted in decades of biological research, and it's now closer to reality than ever. To understand this breakthrough, we first need to look at why we age. Every second, millions of cells in our bodies are dividing, repairing, and regenerating. But as time passes, this process slows. Cells accumulate damage, DNA repair weakens, and harmful molecules known as free radicals build up. Eventually, our tissues lose their ability to heal, our organs become less efficient, and the body begins to break down. This is aging at the cellular level. Japanese researchers have spent years mapping these intricate biological pathways, the circuits that control how cells live, repair themselves, and die. Their new drug, still unnamed, appears to target the master switches of this system. So, how does it work? According to early reports, the drug acts like a reset button for aging cells. It doesn't just slow aging, it reactivates the body's natural repair mechanisms that have gone dormant over time. Essentially, it teaches old cells how to be young again. In lab tests on animals, scientists observed remarkable effects: enhanced tissue regeneration, improved muscle strength, and even reversal of some age-related decline. What's truly astonishing is that these results didn't require genetic modification or invasive procedures, just a chemical compound designed to mimic how the body repairs itself when it's young. The key lies in cellular signaling, how one cell communicates with another. The drug fine-tunes this network, reigniting genes responsible for DNA repair, cell division, and energy production. In simpler terms, it helps the body remember how to heal itself. Of course, the big question is, can it really make humans live 250 years? That figure is still theoretical, based on mathematical modeling and extrapolations from early experiments. No human trials have begun yet, but scientists believe that if the same cellular rejuvenation seen in animals translates to people, we could dramatically extend not just lifespan, but health span, the number of years we live in good health. Imagine being 120 years old, but feeling like you're 40. Imagine diseases like Alzheimer's, arthritis, or organ failure becoming relics of the past. This isn't immortality, but it could be the next best thing. But with such power comes a flood of questions. What would it mean for society if people lived for centuries? How would we handle population growth, jobs, relationships, or memory over such long lifetimes? And perhaps most importantly, who would have access to this drug? Some ethicists warn that extending life to this degree could deepen social inequalities or strain global resources. Others argue that such breakthroughs are humanity's natural next step, evolution through innovation. For now, this drug remains in early development. Clinical trials are likely years away, and researchers caution that it's far too soon to promise eternal youth. But what's clear is that the boundary between science fiction and science fact is blurring faster than ever. This discovery could mark the beginning of a new era, one where we don't just treat diseases, but actively slow or even reverse the aging process itself. If this research succeeds, it could redefine what it means to be human. A world where 250 years of life isn't fantasy, but a choice, where time becomes our greatest gift, not our greatest limitation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to explore more discoveries that could change our world and maybe our destiny.